Okay, so good evening everyone again. So today's class, we will study the log and the anti-log. Last time I have given you some of the videos. Hope you have seen the videos and you have got a basic idea what is the log, for what we are using log and anti-log. Okay, so important thing with respect to chemistry I will talk here. And in chemistry, some of the chapters are there which where we required a log, specifically a chemical kinetics and a electrochemistry chapter where we required a log. Okay, so usually where we are using a log, in which case we are using a log. Okay, first you try to understand that in your examination, like board examination and all, they are not going to provide a calculator. You are not allowed to take a calculator in an examination hall. So whenever the problem comes, the splitting part and all everything is fine. But when it comes to find out the answer, either you have to multiply some of the difficult numbers or you have to divide. In that case, okay, we need to do it with by using a log and the anti-log. Okay, so most of the time we are using what here, either multiplication or a division. These are the two things we are using. Now, at least some more formulas are also there, but some of the basic formula like you need to remember in this log thing is I will say log x upon y can be written as log x minus log y. Remember this is the first. Second is log x multiplied by y can be written as log x plus log y. So what I have done here, x upon y, this is a division. Okay, so normal x upon y is there. So if you put a log to this, then the formula becomes log x minus log y. Same here, if suppose two numbers are multiplying, a big numbers are multiplying, that time if you take a log of it, then you need to write down as log x plus log y. Okay, then third we are using is log a raised to x, a raised to x, okay, or as e raised to x on anything here. So this can be written as what? This can be written as x log a. Is this clear? Anybody have any difficulty in this? Is this formulas clear to you all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the formulas which are required. More are there, but these are the three major formulas we are using here. Now, first of all, in which case we are using, now I will tell you the case. Like if suppose you have a problem where you stuck with 3.07 into 4.82 into 96, like this is there. Now in this case, if you see to multiply, you will spend at least 5 minutes. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Or more than that. And that is after spending the time, after doing that, there is no guarantee that you will get a correct answer. So in such cases, you are going to use this log. Or else, if suppose like this is that 0.0123 divided by 27. Is it looks easy?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Again, it is a confusion. So again, in such cases, we are going to use the log and the anti-log. Now this is one of the problem. So what you are going to use here, you are going to find out the log of it. So entire term, you need to find out the log. Now, which sign is there here? Multiplication sign. So if you put a log of it, then how it will happen? It will happen in this way. That is log x minus this thing, log x plus log y. That means log this plus log this plus log this. Now this is the another problem. If you see here, this is a division part. Okay, just a minute. This is a division part. Now in this case, division part means what it is? It is looks like this. So if you do the log of this, then you need to do what? Log of this minus log of this. So first, by using a log, you will find out the answer. And after getting that particular answer, that is not a final answer. Of that answer, you need to find out the anti-log again. You got the overall idea, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay. So slowly we'll go with this now. Now, what it is exactly? You have the logbook, everything you have seen. Okay, I will not go in depth with that. Now I will go with a direct problems only. Now, two things are there. If you see, you need to write down the two things. Now I will say log 1, 2, 3, 7. Like this, one particular number is there, and you need to find out the log of it. Then how you are going to do? You need to write two things. What is that? This is one vacancy. Then there is a decimal, and then there is one more vacancy. Now, if you check it here, what it is exactly? Okay. Again, I will tell you. If you see now, whatever number log, whatever number is there, first two digit I have said are not zeros. First two digit you have to consider. Like here, 1 and 2 is there. So first two digit is what? 12. Then third and then fourth. So if you check, three things are there. First two digits, then third and then fourth. So total 4 numbers are required to find out the log. If you see the log table, if you see the log, everyone can see the log table. The starting column is there, no? It starts from which number, students?
10.
Starting column starts from 1, 2, 3 or from 10?
10.
10. So remember this. So that means first two digits are required. Individual digit, you cannot find out the log of it. Now 12. If suppose I'm saying 12, then in that first column 12 is there or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
10, 11, 12. So that number is there. Then 3 we have got. What is that 3? If you go to right hand side, there are again the columns. And what is the column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Till 9 columns are there, students?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you go to the 12. Now here 12 is there. Here 12 is there. And here there are the columns like this. And somewhere here, 3 columns is there. So you see, from this direction you go here, from this direction you go here. Which number you are getting?
So it is
0899.
You go like this column you see. You are getting here
0899.
Okay. Then if 0899, correct? This number?
Yes, sir.
Yes
Yes,
or
sir.
no?
Correct. Correct. Yes,
Okay.
correct, sir.
After that, if you see, again one more column is there and they have written a mean difference, correct? Again there is a column, mean difference,
Yes, sir.
last. There also again 9 columns are there. Am I right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All are getting sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is this mean difference? After 3, now 3, this number what you have got, you have seen in this column. After that, the next number is there. Which number here? 7. So whatever that number is. So now it is this one. So this whatever last is there, you will find it in a mean difference. So 7 means something here. So now what you see, from 12, you directly go till here and see in the 7. Which number you are getting?
24.
24.
24. Now
24.
already you got this number from where? 3, 12. Am I right? This number you got, right?
Yes, sir.
Now you got from in 7, if you see the 12 and 7, you got 24. Now where to write the 24? Add that 24. So you need to add in that. So if you add, then what is the number you will get now? This will become what?
0923.
0923. Yes or no?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it correct?
Yeah.
So This is your answer. Now, where this answer you will write? I have told you, whenever you will find a log of anything, there are two parts. This is one part, then decimal, and then another part. So whatever, after finding all this, whatever answer you have got, this is the second part. This is the second part. All have understood how to find out the second part?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any difficulty till here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now we will go for the first part. How to find out the first part? To find out the first part, there is one formula. What is that formula? N minus 1. You have to follow this formula. Now, what is that N? What is that N? N is nothing but a whole number. So how many whole numbers are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we'll go with this. Now see here. If suppose 1 is the number, if 1 is the number, 1 means what? Log 1, like this number is there. What is the formula I have told? N minus 1. So log 1 is there. Whole number is what? 1. So 1 you consider as a N. So N minus 1 is what? What is the answer?
0.
0. Again, log of 4. Log of 4. This is the problem. Now 4 is again only one number is there here. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Don't think that 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't see that. How many numbers are there that you count? So how many number is there? Only one number is there. So N you have to consider as 1. So 1 minus 1 is what again?
0.
0. Now log 2, 3, 4. Like this is there. There is no decimals in this. First we will see without decimals. 1, 2, 3. So how many numbers are there, students?
3.
3 numbers are there. So by using this formula, what you will get? 3 minus 1. What is the answer?
2, sir.
2.
2. So what we are finding now, like this, we are finding this position. Okay, now we'll take this. Log 1, 2, 3, 7. How many numbers?
4 numbers.
4.
4 numbers. So by using this formula,
The 3 is the answer.
3 is the answer. So in this case, now we have taken this. So answer is 3. So your first, whatever the space is there, your answer is what here? 3. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now same, we can
Yes, sir.
take one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A big number. Chalo, we'll take a big number. How many numbers are there?
7,
7.
7. Using this formula, what is the answer?
6, sir.
6.
All have understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now we'll go with the decimals. You first note down this. Everyone note down this.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So this n minus 1, this only happens in that case where no decimals are present, right?
It will happen. Now first I'm going to teach you this. Now I will tell you the decimals. By using decimals, how it will change, that I will. Then you ask this question. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes. First you note down these things. Just let me know as you finish.
Done, sir.
Finished? See, yeah,
Sure.
this
Yes, sir.
log thing, what I am teaching you, you will not get it anywhere. You have seen the this thing YouTube. I have choose the best videos for you, but there also you have seen there will be many difficulties if you see that video. Everything is not clear in that video. But in this class, I'm going to clear everything of yours. So be patient and be attentive in this class. Again, we will not get a chance. Huh? this entire next year it will go again. We will not get a chance to learn a log, and nobody will do this. Okay. Now I have said, whenever you're finding the log of anything, two parts you have to make. One is first part, then it is second part, and in middle there is a decimal. So this is called characteristic. This first part is called as what? Characteristic. And second part is called as a mantissa. Okay, just I'm saying it is for your general knowledge, I will say. Now we'll go with the decimals, how it will change. Again, the rule is same. Rule will never change, n minus 1. Now first we'll take log 1.034. This number is there. Now the question is, I have told you to count the total number of digits here. But now here the same thing. No, you have to count the number of digits before the decimal. Before the decimal. So how many numbers are there before the decimal, students?
One, sir.
1.
1. So tell me. Answer is what?
0.
0. Very good. Then if suppose I'm saying log, what about this?
The 2, sir.
Before the decimal, 3 numbers are there.
So answer.
N minus 1. Answer is what?
2.
The 2.
2.
Very good. Then log 17345.736. 763. In this case, what is the answer, students? We are
4.
finding the characteristics. Huh?
The 4.
Characteristics.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer is 4. All I have understood when the decimal is there.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Before the decimal, if suppose number is there, all I have understood how to do that.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Now we will
Yes, sir.
Now we will see the decimal will be there and zeros will be there before the decimal. Say how it will change. That we will see. Note down this first. Finish.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So first we have seen that without decimal numbers. Then we have seen the decimal number is there, but before the decimal number, some digits, at least one digit is there. Then what is the thing? Now we will see with decimal, but there are no digits. Okay. Now log 0.134. Now you see, earlier we have seen that at least one number we have kept. When one number was there, the number was 1, n minus 1, the answer was 0. Now here there are no numbers. No numbers means 0 number in short. So n is equal to 0. Before the decimal, what is there? Nothing is there. But after the decimal, digit is there. Consider this, huh? After the decimal, digit is there. But before the decimal, there is no digit. So n is 0 here. So 0 minus 1. What is the answer?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. Or you can call it as a bar 1. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Then log 0.0134. See this type of the number. What you can see, decimal is there here. Before obviously 0 is there, but after decimal also what is there? 0 is
0.
there. And then numbers are there. Don't think about the number. Focus on the after decimal number. After decimal 0. After decimal 0. Now here I have told you that when there is no number before the decimal, the answer is minus 1. This much is enough. So here also the same thing. There is no number before the decimal, but even after the decimal also 0 is there. So that means in this case, n becomes minus 1. and again this -1. So your answer is what?
-2.
-2, or you can call it as a bar. If you know this, this you can frame. No need to do these things. How it is? Before the decimal, if suppose there is 0 and after decimal there are numbers, first number is there, then answer is -1. Again you see here, after decimal 0 is there and after that numbers are there, -2. Same here, log 0.00134. See here, 2 zeros are there after the decimal. Answer is what?
-3.
-3. Log 0.000134. Answer is what?
-4.
-4, sir.
-4. Now you see, log 0.04008. In this case, how you will do this? Answer is what?
-2.
-2.
-2. Why it is -2? Because we have to consider the zeros just after the decimal. So just after the decimal, only 1 0 is there. Again, after that, a digit is there. And then zeros are there. We are not considering those zeros because before that, digit comes here. All have understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Sure. Now, if suppose I'm saying log 0.10007, what is the answer for this?
-1.
-1.
-1.
So
0.
everyone understood now how to find out the characteristics. That is this one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure. Any difficulty in this? Anyone? Anyone
sir.
have any difficulty? Anything you can ask on this characteristics? Mentisa, again, I will teach you. Only thing, just now I have taught you only the characteristics. Any difficulty in finding characteristics?
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
Note
sir.
down this first. Hope you have the log table with you. Without log table, if you are sitting there, no, it is just a time pass. And if it is a time pass, better you shouldn't attend my class. Still 4 people are absent. All have finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, now we will learn to find out the characteristic as well as Mantissa. Now the first question is log 134.7. That is 134.7. How to find out the log of it? I have told you two things. There will be one digit, after that there is a decimal, and after that 4 digits are there. Okay, now can you tell me the characteristic in this case, students?
Sir, 2.
Sir, 2,
What
sir.
is the characteristic?
2.
2. 2 is the answer. All have understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
find out the non-zero digit starting. What is the non-zero digit which is starting?
1.
1. So 1 and 3. This is your one number because this is in the first column. In first column, at least 2 numbers are required. 10th place. After that, 3rd, and after that, 4th number. So 4 numbers are required for you to find out the log. Okay. So you have to find out in 13th column fourth column. So 13th is the starting column, what is there. So focus on that, 13th. Then you go to the fourth. Check which number you are getting.
1271.
1271, sir.
Okay, just a minute. You are telling me, no? 1271. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1271. This is your number. Now, 7th. In 13, you find out the mean difference 7. Which number you are getting?
23.
So write down plus 23. So here what you will get? This number you will get.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you write it down. 1294. So this is the log of this number. Is it difficult, students?
No, sir.
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Note it down. We'll go to the next one now. Log 13.4. Okay, 13.4. See this number. 13.4. Tell me, what is the characteristics?
1.
1.
1, sir.
1 is the characteristics point. Now I have told you to find out the log. How many numbers are required? I have told
4.
4.
4 numbers are required. But here, how many numbers are there?
3.
3.
3 numbers are there. 4 are not there. But you have to consider that fourth number as a 0. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If suppose even one number is there, now see your student. If suppose only one number is given, 7. I have told you 4 numbers are required, but here only one number is there. Then after this, you have to just consider as 3 zeros. Understood?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So same way we'll do here. 13.40, that is 4. We will consider it a 40. So 13 under 4. What is the answer?
1271.
1271.
1271. Okay. Then 4 is done. Mean difference, I have told you. One more number is there in the mean difference, but here it is considered as 0. So 0 is there or not in the mean difference?
So not there.
Okay.
Not there, sir.
Not there.
Not there.
There or not there?
Not there,
Not
sir.
there.
Not there. That means this is your final answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
If it is not there, that you are not considering that. This is your, so you are not going to add anything in this. So this is your final answer. So it is 1271. Do it fast. Just a minute, I'll take some new problems. Because now the difficult, if suppose I am taking, then even I have to cross check yours. Okay. Okay. Next is, now this I have taken. Now we'll take like this 0.746. 0.746. What is the log of this? If suppose that is a question. So you need to find out the log of this number. Find out the characteristics. What is the characteristics here?
-1.
0
1 bar.
Minus
bar. Okay, so I will say point. Then we need to find out the Mantissa. So how to find out Mantissa? I have told you. Now if you see here, point is there and before that no number is there. To find out the Mantissa, we want 4 numbers. But from where? From the non-zero. So it starts from 7. Understood? Because before that there is no non-zero number. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this 74, then 6, and then I have told you 4th number you can consider as 0. Okay, just you have to consider. So it is 74 under 6. What is the answer?
8727.
727.
8727.
8727.
Okay, this is your answer. Understood, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then log 0.0056. Okay, this is the number. Can you tell me now what is the characteristics?
-3, sir.
-3.
Minus 3. Very good. That is bar 3 you can see. And Mantissa is what here? See here. 0, 0, 0. All zeros are there. So don't consider. Starts from non-digit number. That is 5. So 56 is considered as 1. Then more 2 zeros you have to consider. So 56 is the first column. Yes or no? And then third is what? Third is which number? They have not given. But what you have to consider?
0.
0.
0.
0 you have to consider. So you check 56 under 0. The first column is 0 you check.
7482.
7482, sir.
7482. All have understood this? Any difficulty?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Still will take log 0.7. This is the number. Tell me. What is the characteristics?
-1.
-1.
Very good. -1. Mantissa, how to find out? So 0 is the non-zero this thing 0 digit. After that, if you see after the decimal, 7 is number is there. But I have told you 4 numbers are required. So you have to put it 0, 0, 0, 0. So 70, 0 and 0. So what is the thing? Which number you have to start with?
8451.
70 under 0. What is that number?
8451.
8451.
8451.
4, 5. All have understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes.
type of the difficulty you have seen now in finding the log anywhere?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So just note down this, students.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So I cross-checked the answers on the calculator, but they are differing. They are not coming correct.
You don't follow that calculator thing at
Yeah.
present, because finally is what at these things we are going to use what only the log table only.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Focus, follow the log table. With the examination, nobody can give you the calculator to use the log. Understood? Important is log table. If we are doing the properly by using the log table or not. If suppose we are not using that properly, then there is a mistake. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All have finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's all. Okay. Now single number log we have found out. Okay, single number log. So now we have understood how to find out the log. Now what is the thing? Why I'm teaching you this log? Because you should use this in your problems. And problems will not be that simple, like only single number. Sometimes the single number of log will be there, but most of the time how it will be there? First and second time. Is this clear? Okay. So all these 3 types we will see. The first case, I'm saying like 27 into 1.274. This is the number. Okay, or else even you can say, okay, sir is saying this is easier. We'll just make it complicated. 12.74. So 27 into 12.74. This is there. And if you see here, if a multiplication, it is very difficult. Okay, so what to do? You need to do the log of it. So if you do the log, so log 27, what will happen? How you are going to write down, students? If you are doing the log of multiplication, then what will happen?
Log 27 plus
Log 27 plus
plus
log
log 12.74.
74. Plus I have written not multiplication sign because I'm making log of it. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now find out the log of 27, students. What is the characteristics? 27 characteristics?
1.
1.
1. So
One.
1.27. So in column 27 under 0, what it is?
4314.
4314. Okay. So this is the log of 27. Plus we need to find out this. Log 12.74. What is the characteristics?
1.
1.
1.
1, sir.
Okay. Then 12 under 7 under 4. Can you do that? Find out 12 under 7. Then whatever coming under 4, you have to add. Tell me the final answer.
1052.
1052.
1052.
Okay. Now you need to add this both. Add this both and tell me. Add this both.
2.5366.
2.5.
366.
366. Okay, so this is your number you have got after finding the log. But this is not your final answer, students. Because whenever you are doing a log to any number, no, whatever answer you will get, it is not a final answer. Whatever answer you will get after the log, we have to make it anti-log. So you have to find out the anti-log of this final answer. Is this clear? Yes or no? Because log is there and anti-logs. Two separate tables are there. Can you see those tables?
Yes, sir.
All can see the
Yes,
two
sir.
tables, log table and anti-log table. Okay. So what is how to find out the anti-log? Like how just now I have taught you how to find out the logs. Okay. So same way I will teach you how to find out the anti-log also. Okay. So now we will find out anti-log and then only we'll go with this. Now how to find out the anti-log of the particular number? Whenever you are finding anti-log will be only for like this number, not like this, not like this. Anti-log is only for a final answer. Is this clear? So there is no multiplication, there is no division, nothing. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, how to find out this? Can you see the decimal?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Which number you can see here?
2.
2, sir.
So identify which number is there before the decimal. Now here you say multiply by 10 raised to, directly you say, because here also there are two parts. This is one part, this is another part. So I'm talking about second part. Okay. So what you will do, first part, multiply by 10 raised to particular number. Now what is that number? What you have identified before the decimal? Which number you have identified
2.
2. 2.
2.
before the decimal in this problem? Is it clear? If suppose 0 is there, then you will say 10 raised to 0. Clear? If suppose -2 is there, you will say 10 raised to -2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will tell you slowly. I will tell you now. Here at present, what we will learn: a positive number and zero. Before the decimal, positive number and zero. If suppose there is a negative number here, -2, -3, -1, -4, then slight changes you have to do. What is that? I will tell you. In first case, we will see a zero, either a zero or a positive number. Now here positive number is there. So it is +2, +3, +4 till +9. 10 will not come most of the time because the smaller number only will come for you. Okay, at this stage. So 10 raised to 2. Now here, this is the first part. So how we are going to find out the first part? Identify the decimal point. This is the decimal point. After the decimal point, two digits you have to consider. First two digits after the decimal. So which is the first two digits after the decimal, students?
53.
53.
53.
Which is the first two digits? 53. Then fourth digit. Understood? The same way. After first two digits you have to consider, and then third, fourth digit. Anti-lock. All I have opened. Anti-lock table. Can you hear me? Hello. Please reply.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Can you hear my voice?
So it's cracking.
So
Can
your
you hear
voice
my
is
voice?
cracking.
So your voice is cracking.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, work is weak.
Can you hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
There was little technical problem. Now you see, anti-lock table all have what?
Yes, sir.
All have got the anti-lock? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
On
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
on top of it, it is written anti-lock, not lock. Now in first column, how the number you can see? What numbers you can see in first column?
0.00.
Which is the first number you can see?
0.00.
0.00.
Remember this, anti-lock column 0.0, then 0.0.1, 0.0.2, 0.0.3, like this. So 3, 4 point, it starts from the point. Okay, don't forget this. 0.1, this thing 0.1, 0.2, 0.2, like this. It is a point. So like this, here you have to consider this point. So 0.53. Can you see 0.53? All can see 0.53. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So in 0.53, check under 6 column. Which number you will get?
3436.
3436, correct. So 3436. Then mean difference 6 you check. What is you are getting? Mean difference is
5. 5.
5. So you add that number. So what you will get? 3, 4, 4, 1. So your answer is what here? 3, 4, 4, 1. All have got this? How to do?
Sir,
So the video is
sir, can you do again because your screen was frozen?
Yes or no? Yes or
Sir, can you
is
hear?
there a problem? Any difficulty in hearing?
Sir,
Sir,
can
I
you do
can't
it again
see the
because
video.
Your screen was frozen.
Video is blur. Okay, just a minute.
So your
Because
content
it
is
might
stuck.
be because of the network issue. Just give me a minute. Yes, just still the same. Can you
It
hear
is
it
actually
now?
not clear.
Still the same.
Sir, your network is weak.
So yes, sir.
Just a minute.
Sir, the screen is better now.
Now can you hear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Better.
yes, sir.
Just let me know if something happened like this. No, just let me know. I will just disconnect it and okay.
Your voice is breaking again.
Yes or no? Okay. Wait. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You understood how this particular answer got? Yes or no?
Sir, can you
Yes, sir.
repeat
Yes,
because
sir.
it was
Now this answer what you have written, that is the final answer. Okay. But now you have to put the decimal in it. Now where to put a decimal? Leave one digit and put the decimal.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you teach it again? It was network problem, so I couldn't hear.
Okay. I will take one more problem also. At present, you understood till here.
Sir,
will
no, I
take one more
couldn't hear.
Okay. So what I have told just now, this is the answer what you have got till here. And then you put a decimal just after the digit, one digit. Leave one digit and put the decimal. This is your final answer. So when you multiply with this and this, no, you will get this is as your answer. So this 10 raised to 2, if you substitute in this, what is the thing you will get? Who can tell me? Can you hear me? Hello, students. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When you substitute 10 raised to 2 in this, what is the answer you will get? I don't want this 10 raised to 2. So I will put it here. How we will shift the digits?
4.1.
Sir, right hand side.
Yes. So it will be what? 3, 4, 4,
4,
0.1. Am I right?
4.1.
Yes,
So
sir.
please see the shifting of the decimals. Huh? That is one more important concept. You need to learn this. Shifting of the decimal. Today only you see. This is the answer. Now, if you multiply 27 into 12.74, no, this answer you will get. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Yes,
So to get that answer, see how difficult it was, but to get this answer, you have to just follow this rule. That is, first you find out the log, then you find out the anti-log. The answer last you will get. That is your answer for that multiplication or a division. Just note down this. We'll go for one more problem. All are finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Voice is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll take a little bit bigger number. Now at present, we are just seeing for the multiplication, huh? Then we'll go for a division. Okay, I was teaching you with respect to anti-log, no? So anti-log with one positive number I have taught you. First, I will teach you that anti-log when 0.0134 like this is there, then how we are going to do that? Again, the same. What is that? This is the number. Now, what is number is there before the decimal, students?
0.
0. So
0.
consider this 10 raised to 0. 10 raised to 0 is what?
1.
One, sir.
Okay, fine. So this answer is 1. So don't think about it. Now we'll go for this one. How to do? The same way. Decimal, after decimal, 2 number, then third, then fourth. So after decimal, which 2 numbers are there? 0. What?
0, 1.
0.01. So in 0.01, in your first column, go for third column. And then you go for fourth column and add that number. Tell me the final answer.
1031.
1031.
103.
103.
Now this is your answer, 1031. One more step I have told you to do. What to do that? After finding the answer, what you have to do now? Put the decimal where?
After 1 digit.
Depends what it is raised to.
So your content is stuck again.
Can you hear me, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Okay. So what I have told you, you have to put the decimal just after the first number. So which is the first number here?
1.
1. So put this decimal. This is your answer. So this is considered as 10 raised to 0 is 1. So just delete this thing. So your answer is this. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to a difficult thing now. Now what is that? If suppose by doing a log, after finding a log, if suppose you got bar 3.1089, like this number you got after finding the log, now you have to find out the anti-log. Yes or no? You have to find out the anti-log. Then how we are going to do? Directly you have to take 10 raised to minus 3? No, because here what is there? What is there?
Minus.
Sign is there. Minus sign is there. Be careful when you will see the minus sign before the log. No, it means whatever answer you have found, you are going to find out the anti-log. Be careful. Log is easier, but anti-log you have to be very careful. Here you have to do one step. What is that step? I will tell you. So you write down anti-log. You have to do -1 + 1. You have to use this rule. Now what is that rule? I will tell. This is bar 3. Consider this is one part. Consider this is another part. Is this clear till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Which part? First part is there? -3. Bar 3 means -3. Bar 3. Then you have to use this rule. So write down here. -1 + 1. Clear? Clear? This
Yes,
rule
sir.
is clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I have not written decimal. In between what I have, which rule I have used? -1 + 1. This I have written. Then I'm going to write down this second part. Okay, second part. But how I have to write? Which sign I have to give? Plus sign. Remember this. So plus which? This particular number. Second part. So it is 0 point from here, not from here. So you say that point that number. So you consider it as a 0, or else to get confusion, you say 0.1089. Is this clear till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any difficulty in this?
No, sir.
Okay. Now again, this first two number is one part. This second two things is another part. Okay. This is one part. This is another part. Just a minute, huh? Just a minute. There is a slight mistake here. Let me just identify that. Okay, this is not plus, students. Huh? I have told you here plus. It is not plus, but it is minus. So from 1, you are going to remove this particular number. So this is one part. This is another part. See, it is difficult. It looks difficult, but if you try it for some time, no, then it is very easy. If you are not trying at all, no, then it will be difficult for you. Huh? If you think like, this is difficult, I will not do. Simply, you will waste 15 to 20 marks for the board exam next year. So try to learn it. Okay. Then you say anti-log. Now you tell me bar 3, bar 1. What is the answer?
-4.
-4. Point. Now you say point, you have to say point. And this, what is that? 1 minus 0.1089. How you will do this? 1, and from that you are going to remove 0.1089. How you will do this? From 1 you have to remove this. So it is 1.0000. So from 1, if you are removing this, then what is your answer, students?
0.8911.
0. 0 point what?
8911.
8911. Is it correct? Please cross check and tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So
Correct,
it
sir.
is 0.8911. You are writing this is 0.8911. All have understood what I have done here? Please check once
Yes, sir.
and tell me if you have not understood anything. Check this part and tell me which part you have not understood. These things you are doing in anti-log, -1 + 1 rule, only when this number is negative. Even if it is 0, you are doing directly. Last time how I have done the same way. But only when it is negative, you need to do this. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to find out the anti-log of this. Okay. Now, again, two parts into 10⁻². Now, which number is there before the decimal?
S4.
-4.
-4. Okay. Then anti-log 0.89 under 1 and 1. Tell me the answer. .89 under 1 and 1.
7782.
7782.
82.
7782, sir.
Is this the final answer or something we have to do here?
Sir, decimal
The
point.
decimal
Decimal. Where you will put?
after
After
the
one
first
digit.
digit.
After the first digit. This is your final answer. No need to substitute. Even if you keep it here, you will get your full marks. This is your final answer. Now you will say, sir, we could have done the same thing, no, like this number we have done the same way like this, but you will get a wrong answer. If we are not following this step, when negative number is there in the anti-log, you will get the wrong answer. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Only when it is negative, huh? Only when it is negative. One more thing we'll do like this for negative.
Yes, sir.
One more time we'll try.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the answer by finding the anti-log, we have got like bar 5.1078. Like this number we have got. Okay. So bar 5 means which rule you have to use?
-1 + 1.
Yes. So anti-log of bar 5, 1078. We have to use a log -5 -1 + 1 minus 0.1078. Till here, any student have any difficulty? You can ask me. Anyone? Okay. Now you make the two half. This is the first half. This is the second half. So anti-log. This is what? -5 -1 is what? -5 -1?
-6.
-6.
-6. Point. From 1, you remove this number. What is the answer?
0.8922.
8922. Okay. Now this is your anti-log thing. You have to find out. Multiply by 10⁻⁻6. 0.89 under 22. Your answer is? What is your answer?
7802.
7802. So decimal we have to put after the 7. This is your answer. Is it difficult? Is it difficult?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
CRT level raised to 10 raised to 6.
What?
How should be the last answer?
Means
7.082 into 10 raised to 6 or
10 raised to minus 6, no?
minus
Because
6?
bar is there, no?
Oh, you
The
have to
same
do
number
direct.
will come on 10 raised to, whether it is bar 1, bar 2, plus or whatever. Same number.
Do we have to shift the decimal point on the left hand side? Because it is
Correct.
minus 6, right?
What? No, you don't shift. Keep that 10 raised to minus 6 as it is. No
Okay,
need to
sir.
put it. No need to. Even if you are getting that answer and if you keep it 10 raised to whatever, no, that is your final answer. You should get your full marks.
Okay, sir.
Okay, but only thing you should know in the 12th standard, because it is there in chemistry as well as in the physics, how to shift the decimal. If suppose 10 raised to positive number is there, how the decimal is going to shift, and if suppose 10 raised to minus number is there, how to shift the decimal. That thing you need to learn. Not here, but you should know that. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now we'll do one problem. 72.68 into 9.67 into 108.9. Check, it's a big number, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we are going to use which formula? First, second, third. Which formula we are going to use here?
Second, sir.
Second.
Second.
Okay, second formula, 72.68. Okay, log 72.68 plus log 9.67 plus log 108.9. Now log 72.68, what it is? 1 point, characteristic is 1. So 72 under 6 under 8. Tell me the final answer. In log table, not anti-log.
Eight, 6, 1, 4.
8, 6, 1.
8614.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Okay. Then plus 9.67 is there. So this is what? 0 point under 96 under 7, you see.
Nine, 8, 5.
9859.
What you said? 98
5, 4.
59.
plus this one. 108.9 means what is the characteristics?
So 2.
10 under 8
Two,
9, you check.
Zero three seven one.
0, 3, 7, 1.
Yes, sir. 037.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you add all the three. Add all three and tell me the answer.
Four point 4.8839.
Huh?
4.8839.
Cannot hear.
4.8839.
4.8839.
Yes, sir.
8839. Correct?
Yes, sir. Correct.
So
Then this is your answer for the log. You need to find out the anti-log of it now. 4.8839. Now in this you find out anti-log. Is there a negative sign on this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. Positive.
No. Okay, positive. That means no need to follow -1 + 1 rule. Okay. So here I have told you two parts. 10⁻², directly you say 4.
4.
And this is what? 0. That is 0.88 under 3 under 9. Tell me anti-log, huh? And now change the table, anti-log table.
seven six five four. 7654.
7654, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. 765.
7.65.
After 7.
Here. So if you multiply these things, no, the answer you will get like this. Okay, if you use the calculator and all anything else, no, you will get this answer. But without thinking, if you do a normal procedure, you will get answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just note down this. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
After the class, you take yourself some of the numbers like multiplicative division, you try. Okay. One more will do. 32.97 into 9.68 divided by 56.73. Now, if you check it properly, which rule you are going to implement?
So the first one.
First and second.
First.
Only first?
First and
First and
second.
second.
First and
First and
second.
second, because if you see here, there is multiplication in this and there is a division in this. So it is log 32.97 plus log 9.68 minus, this is minus log 56.73. Understood? Whatever division, if you are keeping taking as a log, no, it will become a minus. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now log 32.97, 32 point. So it is characteristic is 1. Find out 32 under 9 and 7. 32 under 9, 7.
Five, 1, 8, 1.
5181. Okay, good. Then plus 9.68. What is the characteristic? Tell me fast.
0.
0, sir.
Very good. 0. 96 under 8. Find out. 96 Mantisa.
9859.
9859.
98519. 59 you said, no? Good. Then minus 5673. That is 1 point. Check. 56 under 73. Everybody should try, huh? I have told you again, more time you will not get to learn the log. So special class I have kept today by wasting my time. Actually,
7461.
special class I shouldn't have put here like this. Tell.
7461.
7461, right? Okay. Now what
No,
you do?
sir.
Correct, sir.
Check. Cross check again. Any doubt? Cross check.
So 7538.
7538 she is saying. Cross check. Anybody else? Cross check fast.
Yes, sir. 77538.
Done. Then you see here, this is plus, this is minus. First you add this. What is the answer for this after adding? Whatever number you will get, take that number and then subtract and tell me the final answer. Add first, then subtract and tell me the final answer.
Zero point 7502.
0.7502.
0.7502.
0.7502. Okay. So this is the finding of a log. Then you are going to finding the anti-log, that is 0.7502. Minus 1 plus 1 rule you will follow here.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So is that. So into 10 raised to 0. This is considered as 1. So find out 75 under 0 under 2. Anti-log.
5626.
5626.
5626.
5626.
Okay. So it is 5.626 into 10 raised to 0. This is nothing but 5.626. This is your final answer. Everybody have understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have seen first formula, second formula, then we'll go to the third formula also. Okay, we'll do it here. Like third formula, how it is. Okay. You can say like one number is there where 6 raised to 8. 6 raised to 8 number is there. Okay, how we are going to do? Take the log of it. If suppose you take the log of 6 raised to 8, then this will become this formula. So it is nothing but 8 log 6. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes or no? Okay. Then 8 into multiply by, find out the log of 6. What is the log of 6? What is the characteristics of 6?
So 0.
0.
Point. 0 point. Find out the log. Mentisa. 60 under 0.
7782.
7782. Only one person is continuously answering. Then what you have to do is here multiply this 8 with this. Multiply the 8 with that and tell me the answer.
6.2256.
6.2256. Okay, just a minute. I need to do. Okay. Then next is anti-log 6 to 8.
Yes, sir. It's correct.
Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It is correct.
Okay. Okay. So this much, no need to find out the anti-log because they have told that what it is. Okay. If suppose they have told like this, if suppose particular number is there, then this is the way you are going to do. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any difficulty?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Just a minute. I have only doubt in this particular problem. I have to just check that. Need to wait. Just a minute. Okay. 6 point. Just do one more thing, students. Can you try this on calculator 6 raised to 8? Because we need to find out the antilog of this also. One person will solve with me and another person find out the 6 raised to 8. Okay, just one person tell me 10 raised to 6 and 22 under 5 and 6. What is the answer? Under antilog, you tell me. Antilog under 22, 5 and 6. Anyone?
1681.
1681, and we are putting the decimal at this particular place. Okay, so that means 1681000. Suppose we are shifting that. This answer you are getting, students. Check what answer you are getting as 6 raised to 8.
I got 1679616.
1679
79616.
616 by using a calculator.
Yes, sir.
6 raised to 8 you did, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that means there is a slight mistake somewhere. There will be a slight mistake because 16 we are getting somewhere, a small thing somewhere we are missing. Okay, what is that? You can please check that, because but this is the way we have to do that. Okay, this is the thing, like these are major things we are using. Okay, not more than that. Usually I have told you, now here I have told you a difficult one, 6 raised to 8, but most of the time for the exam, no, it is 10 raised to something. 10 raised to something. So log of 10 is what? Log of 10 is what, student?
1.
Log.
Understood? So this much you need to remember. Now in this case is what I have taken 6, but most of the time that A is a 10. That much you consider, at least in 12th standard, not after higher studies. Higher studies you can change this number, but at least in 12th standard that A will be 10. So if it is 10 raised to 8, then it is very easy. Am I right? So 8 into 1 it is. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is easier one. Only thing is, most of the time we have to use this formula, not like this, not like this. This is just I have shown that this particular things in the logarithmic part in mathematics. This is not there in this. Just I have shown you here. We have to deal with such type of the problems where log like this, log 10 raised to 27. So this is nothing but 27 into log 10. This is nothing but 27. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So this we will be having in chemistry, not this. So this is just I have shown you. This is there in the mathematical part. Okay, logarithmic lesson is there. No, there it will be having. Not in the chemistry. Chemistry, this 10 raised to something will be there. So we can be more focused. So rather than saying A, no, I will say 10. Because this is what we have. So now everybody, all have understood the anti-log and log things, how to use in
Yes,
your
sir.
problem.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Everyone is familiar now. Any difficulty, anyone?
No, sir.
So no, sir.
No, sir.
This entire video recording, as soon I will get, I will forward it to you. Okay, so just keep that even for a future reference purposes, because after some time, no, if you don't go with this, no, you will forget some of the things in between. So that time you can just go back and see those video recordings, what I have told in between. Okay, more than that, as we solve the problem, it will be there. So difficult things will be coming. That time we will solve. These are just a basic things what I have told you, and this is enough for the chemistry and physics, log and anti-logs. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank
So
you,
we
sir.
can leave the class.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.